Now, boys and girls, let's sing the alphabet. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. All right, let's say our colors. Are y'all ready to say our colors, Pete the Cat, Timothy, and Kennedy? Great. Let's say our colors. Red, orange, yellow, green, blue, purple, brown, and black. Let's say that again. Red, orange, yellow, green, blue, purple, brown, and black. We just pronounced our colors. Great job. I have a special surprise for you today. We are going to learn math addition. Let's get right to it. 1 plus 1 equals 2. Let's say it again. 1 plus 1 equals 2. 1 plus 2 is 3. Again, 1 plus 2 is 3. 1 plus 3 is 4. 1 plus 3 is 4. 1 plus 4 is 5. 1 plus 4 is 5. 1 plus 5 is 6. 1 plus 5 is 6. 1 plus 6 is 7. Again, 1 plus 6 is 7. 1 plus 7 is 8. 4 fingers on each side equals 8. Again, 1 plus 7 is 8. 1 plus 8 is 9. 1 plus 8 is 9. And lastly, 1 plus 9 is 10. 1 plus 9 is 10. Great job. We said addition and we said all of the numbers correctly. Thank you, boys and girls, for learning addition with me. You did a great job. what, boys and girls? I have a story for you today. Look at the big brown bear. Oh my goodness. Do you see it? Okay, today's title of the book is called Brown Bear, Brown Bear, What Do You See? By Bill Martin Jr. and Eric Carle. Let's get into the book. Brown bear, what do you see? I see a red bird looking at me. Red bird, what do you see? Wow, look at the bird. So pretty. I see a yellow duck looking at me. Yellow duck, what do you see? I see a blue horse looking at me. Blue horse, what do you see? Do you see the blue horse? Wow. I see a green frog looking at me. Green frog, what do you see? I see a purple cat looking at me. Purple cat, what do you see? See, the purple cat has green eyes. I see a white dog looking at me. White dog, what do you see? I see a black sheep looking at me. Black sheep, what do you see? Do you see the black sheep with the green eyes? I see a goldfish looking at me. Goldfish, what do you see? I see a teacher looking at me. Teacher, what do you see? I see children looking at me. Children, what do you see? Do you see the classmates, boys and girls? We see a brown bear, a red bird, a yellow duck, a blue horse, a green frog, a purple cat, a white dog, a black sheep, a goldfish, and a teacher looking at us. That's what we see. The end, boys and girls. See the bear? That was a great story time. Did you enjoy this book? I did. Great job for listening. And remember, readers are leaders.